wonderful holiday. I hope you had a lot of love and warmth with your family and friends. So with this new year, we're gonna be leveling up our editing skills, so let's get started. If you've been on Instagram lately, you might have been seeing this trend going around where they're doing this jumping slow-mo outfit change transition, and especially in the fashion niche, it's pretty prevalent there. So today I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to do that. The first thing that you're gonna want to do is film yourself with all these different outfits. So what I did was got my outfit ready, and then I started putting on different pieces. So maybe like the top first, pants next, shoes, jacket, bags, hats, all of those accessories. And with each of those pieces, what you're gonna want to do is just stand in the same place and jump. And make sure that you have your phone steady when you're recording it, because you wouldn't want to move the camera. So I definitely suggest a tripod when you're filming. Once you're finished filming, we're gonna go straight into editing, and you already know I have free mobile editing apps for you. Today we're gonna be using two. The first one's gonna be CapCut, so let's get into it. You're gonna start by importing all of the clips that you just took into CapCut. So you can see over here, I have all of these different clips of me jumping. And honestly, it shouldn't take you too long. Don't stress over it too much, because the idea is to show your outfit if you are doing outfit changes, so you're not gonna really have to worry about the little details. So for my first clip, for example, I'm walking in and I have my first outfit, or like my pre-outfit kind of video, and then I'm gonna jump over here, and right about the time that I'm in the air, before I land, I'm just gonna tap on it, press split, delete, okay? And then you're gonna do that for all of the different clips. Once you're finished trimming all of your clips, you're gonna want to take the part where you are mid-action. So let's say my transition over here between the first clip and my second clip is this jump, right? So I'm gonna take this piece over here. I'm just gonna enlarge this screen and take a screenshot. So you don't necessarily have to do this screenshot part from the app itself. You can actually take it from your photo album, because you did record it, so maybe the quality would even be higher there. It is up to you, but in this case, I'm just gonna show you this as an example. I'm now gonna import the screenshot into my second editing app, which is Photo Room. So you can see the moment that I import it, it scans my whole body and it removes the background. So I'm gonna tap on transparent over here, zoom in like this, edit cutout, and erase. Press on manual. On the bottom, you can change the brush size over here and just start erasing everything else except for the part of the outfit that changed. So in this case, it is my top, so I'm just gonna be erasing the rest of me. Don't need my head over here, don't need my hair. And this is why it doesn't need to be really clean, because it goes by really fast. So you can see my hair is in the way. Ideally, if you can shoot without anything in the way, so you can just see the piece of clothing, that's also great. Before you export your image, you're gonna tap on it, come down onto the bottom over here. You're gonna come into blur, and you're just gonna add a little bit of motion blur. So nothing crazy, I would say just a bit, maybe like 6, 7. I like 7. Press done, press the top right corner to export, and then press save. And that should save to your photo album. Coming back into CapCut, I'm going to import that image that we just created. So you're gonna press add, import over here, and you're gonna notice that there is a watermark. So here's a little hack to get rid of it. You can tap on it from here, scroll to the bottom and press edit, crop, and then just crop it like this. Now that we have our transparent background image, I'm just going to move it to where the outfit changes into this piece. Come to the bottom over here and press overlay. Now it's on the bottom. So now you can see it fits. Move this piece aside for a second, just so I can see my main clip. So you might notice if you play your clip right now, it goes by really fast, right? Come into this portion where I'm like floating a little bit. Maybe about here where you want to split your clip when you are at your jump's peak, okay? So tap on it, and I'm just gonna come to the bottom over here, scroll to the right and tap on freeze. And you can already see the cropped piece fits a little bit better. So I'm just gonna split this clip again, the one that I just froze. So now what I want to do is make sure that my outfit fits me just nicely right at the beginning of this second clip. I want to trim this cutout right when my next clip begins, okay? So here you can see the outfit changes and it's perfect on my body. I'm gonna come into my keyframe, and then before that, I'm just gonna tap on this keyframe over here and move it out of frame like this. So now when I zoom out all together, you have something that looks like this. When you put all of them together, they look really, really good. Now there is another method to do this effect without using keyframes, but before I get into it, I do wanna say that I've been getting a lot of DMs from you guys and tags on Instagram to show me your final results, and I'm so happy to see it. And also on top of that, I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys about how to do certain types of video editing or further details on the tutorials that I've been putting up. up. So I'm really happy to say that now you can go on my website and you can come find me for one-to-one lessons. Or if you don't want lessons but you want me to just edit it for you, I also have that service now available. So I will link all of those links down below and you can go check it out if that's something you're interested in. So I'm just going to go back here and remove the keyframes just to show you the different effects. I still have the positioning correct on my body here and the clip hasn't changed, but now what I'm gonna do is come to the bottom over here, tap on animation, and tap on in. Slide left, and you can see it already automatically does this for me. The reason why you might want to use keyframes instead is if you want to do a specific action with your piece, like let's say you want it to come from a different angle or you want rotations or whatever it is, keyframes will allow you to do a more customized and specific effect. But other than that, you can use this too. Don't forget that at the end of it all, you actually want to wrap up your piece by landing. So don't just stay in the air forever. You actually want the last clip to be you landing, and then you can continue on with whatever you want to do in the video, or you just wrap it up there, add your music, add your sounds, post it on Instagram, and tag me so that I can see it too. If you want to learn more about cutouts or CapCut, you can check out this video over here, but if you followed all the steps in this video, your final piece should look something like this. There are other variations that you can add, so it doesn't have to always be a jump. You can do a stomp, you can do whatever action that you want. Just follow the template of this video and you should be able to achieve it. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram, give this video a like if it helps you. It really helps me to know that this video has been helpful to you. If you learned something from this, comment down below what you use this video for. Tell me what you have learned, or if you want me to do other tutorials, I would love to try and give that a go. Other than that, subscribe down below, join my creative community over here. I hope you have a wonderful start to this new year. Let's make a lot of things. Let's create the best content we've ever created. And with that being said, go create a life that you're proud of. See you next time. Bye.